Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set Game Center adding friends restriction to allow or don't allow on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Then go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on Content Restrictions, and in here, go down and tap on Adding Friends in the Game Center section. In here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. So if you choose Don't Allow, then your phone is restricted to not being able to add any friends in the Game Center. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.